Horus Music for Musicians Honest Review. Watch before using. Horus Music is a digital distribution service designed for independent musicians and record labels who want to get their music on major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, and beyond. With this service, you can easily distribute your tracks globally without needing to go through a record label. One of its standout features is that it offers a full 100% of your royalties, meaning Horus Music doesn't take a cut from your earnings, which is a major plus for indie artists. Additionally, Horus Music doesn't just distribute your music. They provide access to marketing services, playlist pitching, and sync licensing opportunities, so you can actually increase the chances of your music getting heard. This makes it ideal for musicians who want more than just distribution, but also exposure. Another great feature is the flexibility. You can pay a one-time fee to keep your music up forever or opt for annual plans depending on your needs. Their service also includes real-time analytics, so you can monitor your music's performance on different platforms, a critical tool for artists looking to understand their audience. The platform is easy to navigate, and they provide personalized customer support, which is crucial if you're new to digital distribution and want help along the way. However, it's important to note that while Horus Music offers playlist pitching, this doesn't guarantee placement in major playlists. You'll still need to focus on promoting your music independently. The marketing services are helpful, but they're not a magic bullet for instant success. Horus Music works best for musicians who are already serious about building their careers and just need a streamlined tool to get their music out there and track its progress. In summary, Horus Music offers a robust set of features for independent artists, from global distribution and royalties retention to marketing assistance. But like any tool, it works best when paired with your own promotional efforts. If you're looking for a straightforward, affordable, and artist-friendly platform to distribute your music globally, Horus Music is worth considering.